Hey everyone, this is James on behalf of ToolkitRC. Here's a quick unboxing and overview of the brand new MC8 Multi-Checker. From the box, you'll find the MC8, upgrade cable, and bilingual manual. The MC8 is a high-quality multi-tool built with a color screen, metal roller, servo and USB outputs, and battery and balance ports built in. Connect your battery and balance leads to the MC8 and you'll see a clear overview of your battery status. This includes the voltage of each individual cell along with the total battery voltage. Scroll between battery and test functions using the roller. Long press on the metal roller to start the balance mode. Charge your phone or USB-enabled device using the USB-A and USB-C ports. The USB-C port is a multi-protocol fast charging port supporting up to 20 watts. To test the servo or ESC, simply plug it into the 3-pin port and select Output. Then select the proper mode to manually or automatically test the servo or ESC. You can also test items like a S-Bus receiver by plugging it into the 3-pin port, selecting Measure Mode, and see the channel outputs in real time. Updates are performed via the USB-A to USB-A cable provided in the box. Just move the update file to the drive that pops up when the multi-checker is plugged in.